Start on your back in supported rest position with your feet on the floor, your knees bent, and your arms out to the side. Take some slow, steady inhales and exhales. As you inhale, fill up your torso with air, and as you exhale, let it all go, relaxing down onto the floor. This session today will focus on slow, gentle movement. So we'll spend a few more moments breathing here than we normally do in the 5-minute sessions, just to ensure a little bit more relaxation. The whole session today will take place on the floor. Start by reaching your arms overhead and stretching your legs out long, just like a good morning stretch when you wake up. Find tension as you extend and reach through your fingers and toes, and then relax and take some wrist circles and ankle circles. Take a few in both directions. After 4 or 5 or so, reach your right arm over and across your body and just reach as far as you can get without rolling over. Slowly turn onto your back and then complete the reach on the other side. Move gently, move slowly, and just relax yourself back onto the floor. As you take your next reach with your right arm, move it into a different spot so you find a little different sensation through your body. Switch back to the left, and we'll take one more per side after this, continuing through this slow, steady, fluid motion. When you finish your final reach with your left arm, we'll have the same idea with our legs. Bring your right leg up and drape it across your body and just let it reach and fall over to the other side. Bring it back through center and switch to the other side. So this is a supine twist, but I really want you to think about just the gentle motion of draping your leg over and across your body, finding a new position with each different reach. Take one more on each side. As you bring your leg back to center, you can bend your knees and place your feet on the floor and just drop your knees from side to side, releasing any tension through your torso from the rotation. Take a few more, and then we're going to let your knees pull you over and onto your belly, and then press yourself back up and into a child's pose, just for a moment. Then return yourself slowly back to your belly and roll back onto your back. Pull your knees in and drop them to the other side, and move through the same pattern. If you would prefer to eliminate the press up to child's pose just to keep the flow a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more gentle, then you can stay on the ground and just take a breath in your lying position. We'll take 2 of these per side. Just move slowly and intentionally, finding gentle connection with your body on the floor through each position. Make your way back onto your back, and we'll meet and just take a few more knee drops from side to side. I love this movement. It's just so calming for my nervous system. Plant your feet on the floor and take a few gentle bridges. Release any notion of what a bridge or hip extension is. This is just meant to be slow movement that feels good. Add in now as you bring your hips up, reach your arm up towards the sky as if you're climbing a rope up to the ceiling. Rock over and onto your shoulder as you reach your other arm and extend through your fingertips to grab up to the highest point on the rope that you can reach. Take about 3 per side, and then set your hips down. Drop your knees from side to side once again. As you drop your knees from side to side, slide your feet out so your knee rocking gets smaller and smaller and smaller until your legs are straight. And then repeat that good morning stretch we did at the beginning. Find one last moment of tension before you settle into final relaxation. Splay your feet out. Your arms can lie out to the sides with your palms up. And we'll just take a few slow, steady inhales and exhales to finalize the practice today. Be soft, be still, let all your muscles relax. Large muscles in your legs, in your arms, and in your torso, and the small muscles in your face, your fingertips, and your toes.